Morning, everybody. Jody here. So, boy, I gotta get to work today. So, I gotta hurry up. So, I'm gonna do a quick swipe here and see what we can come up with. Just had a thought in my head, so I'm gonna run with it. Actually, I was inspired by Shelee herself. These pretty rounds that she's doing. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous, aren't they? Oh, don't drop that. Okay, so, oops, I kind of went over the edge there, didn't I? Get back on there. I don't know if I'm uneven. Shouldn't be, but who knows? Okay, so we're just going to hurry up and do this because I have to get ready for work, but I can't stop right yet. So this is ultramarine blue. This is ice blue. I have to think what I'm doing here. Come on. And ice blue. Come on, Joe, you don't have time for this. Guys, it's 4 degrees outside right now. Oh, I'm not looking forward to going to work. Okay, this is, what is this? I have to look at the, might be dioxazine purple mixed with pearl medium. This is dioxazine purple mixed with Vallejo pearl medium. Did I say what those were? It was just ultramarine. No, the first one was Prussian blue by Liquitex Basics. The next one was Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue from Deco Art. This one is, I believe this one is Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple. Then we have some teal that I made up myself because I don't have any teal. Don't ask me why I did that. I have no idea. Teal there. This is Acrylics. Acrylics. Fluorescent violet. And that looks way too thick. Oh my goodness. I'm never going to be able to swipe that, am I? I don't know. We'll find out. And then, should I do a little magenta? I should. Line here, like that. I do like magenta. Come on, Joe, hurry up. You gotta go to work. I am gonna put some gold in there, because who doesn't like gold? Right? Oh, especially next to that teal. I love teal and gold. All right. That's that. I'm going to try to swipe this. And then I have to go to work. Pray for me this turns out good. I want to come home and look at this and go, oh my gosh. I did that this morning. Oh, you know what I forgot? I made up some brand new cell activator in purple. I don't even know if this is going to work. So I'm going to try it on half of it first. And if it doesn't work, I'll probably put white on the other half. Right? Well, let's just see if it works. Just made it. Okay, here we go. Ready? See what happens. Oh yeah, it's working. Look at that. Ooh, prettiness. Let's put some more on and finish this so I can go to work and make money to buy paint and canvases and a new computer and a new phone. I need so much stuff right now. Okay, that is looking gorgeous, I believe. Whoa. Look at that. Let's turn it this way. Whoa, almost lost it. And we'll go. Do I need more purple in there? Where'd it go? Can't see it. I can see it there, but I can't see it here. So let's just put a little bit more there. Don't think it's going to hurt at this point. What time is it? Oh dear. Oh, look at that blue. Oh my heavens. I am not hating this. Not at all. I do need to tilt it a little bit. And I think I need to blow in the center a little bit. So give me 1 sec. Sorry I'm off camera. Oh, careful, Jode. Oh, ouch. All right. So I just blew in the center a little bit. That looks pretty pretty, doesn't it? Let's tilt this baby up a little bit. See what we end up with. Huh? Everything's moving. Everything's moving. nicely. Ooh, that's pretty. God, I almost lost the whole thing though, didn't I? What's wrong with me? Slow down, dude. Slow down. Nice cells with that purple, huh? The lacing's beautiful. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have blown in the middle. I got too much white there, don't I? I don't know what to do with that. I really don't. Even though it's beautiful. Ooh, maybe I just like it like that. What do you think? You know what? I think I like it. I think I like it just like that. I don't think I want to touch it anymore. Fix the sides here. Looks pretty good there. There. Wow, a nice quick pour, and I think it turned out very nice. I think I like it. Maybe I don't like that. See if we can lose that without losing all my gorgeousness there. Ooh. Come back. Do not overstretch it, Jode. You have to go get ready for work right now. You have to wash your hair and everything. Wow, look at that. What do you think? Oh, are we in frame? There we are. Sorry. I hope you I hope you saw some of that. I gotta fix my camera. It's not in the right place. I'm having to reach all the way across the table to do this, and I forget when I'm doing that. That's what I'm doing. So let's take you for a quick close-up and see what you think. Well, that didn't work at all. All right. All right, let's go for a close-up. Okay, here we go. So, what do you think? I like it. I think it's pretty. The magenta really didn't come out right there. I don't know why. Looks like it was trying to. But I like, wow, that's nuts. I wish the cells would have been just a little bit more, like not in clusters like that. I lost a lot of that, didn't I? By tilting it too much. I don't know, they're pretty. It's still pretty. I like it. Hope you like it too. See you on the next one. Have a great day.